Assalamu alaikum. Warm good morning to everyone. Hope you all are good, well. What is our chapter going on? Measurement. So, I will show one video with explanation so you will able to understand nicely inshallah. So this is my best. I am trying to my best. Okay? So we'll start our maths class. So our topic is measurement. So in measurement, first we are knowing about length, meter and centimeter. Measure of length, use of ruler, meter and centimeter. So long back, do you know how people used to measure length of object? They use their palm. I told before, start from the tip of the thumb and of the tip of the small finger and cubit, start also feet, to measure the length. But this method not gave accurate result, means we are not satisfied also. So nowadays we make used to ruler, measuring tape, ruler, metric scale. The measure the accurate length and height of the object. Whatever object we will, what we are doing? We are learning about how we will measure with tape, with ruler and metric scale. Okay, so let us learn correct method of using scale. Okay, so objects, at the end of this lesson you will be able to measure the length of object using a ruler. Measure length in meters and centimeter. Understand the relation between meter and centimeter. So I need 4 centimeter long paper. What I will use to measure the length? Yes, you are correct. A ruler to help me to measure the length. See, 4 centimeter. You find many division on the measure of the ruler. Some lines are longer while other are smaller. Okay, this is the longer lines. Which one is showing red? And these are small. This one small. Okay, so longer, some line are longer while other are smaller. Longer line represent the number in centimeter. The small line between two long lines, like 0 to 1. These are the smaller lines. Okay, represent division of centimeter. Divisions of centimeter. Now we learn read a scale. Okay, now what we will do? Read the scale. This This is the 2 centimeters. And this is the half centimeter. Similarly, this is 4.5 centimeter. This boy wants to measure the length of different objects like pencil, box, book and eraser. So, we will help him different object. Okay, so we will help him. He comes in different length. Like first ruler, it's a 15 centimeter, 0 to 15 centimeter, and next one 0 to 30 centimeter. Okay, 0 to 30 centimeter. Ruler is used to measure only short length object such as pictures, pieces, small pieces, etc. Like pen, pencil, book, duster, comb, book, maths book, English book. Okay, we are measuring with this short length, small length in ruler. Okay, now come to the measuring tape. Is used to measure long things. Ruler we are using only small things like pencil, pen, duster, book and comb. But measuring tape is used to measure long things. We will go to the shop. Okay, so we are using here measuring tape. See this lady, she went to the shop, cloth shop, and she want some cloth. She went market to buy cloth. Then in a shopkeeper measure a shirt piece with ruler. Yes, it's a ruler, but it's a big ruler. Okay, so shopkeeper measure a short piece with a ruler. Yes, he can measure, but it will take little long time compared to measuring tape. If he will use measuring tape, it will easy to measure. So it will take the time for measuring. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 100 centimeter equal to meter. Okay. We will take short length. See, this is the almirah. We are taking with the measuring tape, not scale, not ruler. We are not using here. Note please, we are not using any ruler because compared to almari, the ruler is so small. It is coming in the centimeter. When we are using the measuring tape, it's a bigger than, longer than centimeter. So here we are taking the measurement in centimeter. So it is a 200 almari height. We will measure the almari height. So it is 200 centimeter, means 2 meter. And next we will take the walking stick with measuring tape. It's a what? It is also 200 centimeter, means 1 meter it is. Almirah is 200 centimeter, means 2 meter. But this is the 100 centimeter, means 1 meter walking stick. Okay. So let us compare the length various things, some of the object having the length in meter, while some of them so small they are measured in centimeter only, like bread, centimeter only, like matchbox also it is coming in centimeter. Okay, length of this skipping rope it is coming meter, and the height of or length of bus also coming in meter. So whatever we studies now, just remind. Let us summarize what we have learned. We use ruler, yes. Metric scales, yes. And measuring tape to measure length, yes. Ruler is used to measure length of small object. Please note this point. Ruler is used to measure length of small object. Length can be used, length can be measured in centimeter and meter. Length we can measure in meter and centimeter. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter or 100 centimeter equal to meter. Hope you understand this. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.